Welcome to this session on ITTOs for quality planning. In this video, we'll explore how inputs, tool techniques, and outputs work together in quality planning process. These elements help ensure that the quality standards are clearly defined and achievable, forming the foundation for managing the project quality effectively. And here is the key inputs, tools and techniques, and outputs. So the inputs includes the project charter, the project management plan, the other project documents, the EFs, the OPAs, and the tools and techniques you have here. I believe that we have covered all of them in the earlier sessions. But again, we'll go into each of them just to understand the perspective of each of these techniques and the quality planning. It includes the expert judgment, the data gathering, the data analysis, data representation, decision making, and test and inspection planning. And this is very important technique. And the outputs here would be the quality management plan, quality metrics that need to be defined by the stakeholders, and the project management plan updates, also the project document updates. And to start with the input to the quality planning, so uh, the project charter is crucial as it outlines the project high level objectives, constraints, and overall quality goals. So the stakeholder register helps identifying the stakeholder and their needs and their expectation regarding the quality. Additionally, the OPAs like historical data or quality management templates and established policies provide valuable resources and lessons learned to guide the planning process. Also, these are some of these tools that can be used in order to have a good quality planning management. So one of them is the cost benefit analysis. It's essential for determining the financial viability of the quality initiatives by comparing the cost of implementing quality improvements against the potential benefits. And this technique helps prioritize the action that provides the most value. Also, you have this tool which is called Flowchart. Flowchart are visual representation of the processes that helps identifying the bottlenecks or inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement in quality management. Benchmarking as well is one of the tools that we haven't or techniques that we haven't mentioned in our earlier slide. But benchmarking, it involves comparing the project performance or quality metrics against the industry standards or best practices to set a realistic and achievable quality goals. So the outputs of quality planning includes the quality management plan, and this plan documents the approach to quality management, including the quality policies, the objectives, roles, responsibilities, and methodologies used to ensure the quality across the project. It acts as the roadmap for managing the quality throughout the project lifecycle. The next output here is the quality metrics. So these metrics are specific, measurable indicators used to monitor the quality or to control the quality. And they help track the effectiveness of the quality management processes and ensure that the project meets its quality goals. The role of quality management plan. So the quality management plan serves as the guiding document that defines the quality policies, procedures, and standards for the project. It outlines the specific quality objectives that the project must achieve and specifies the roles and responsibilities of each of the team members to ensure that the quality managed effectively throughout the life cycle or the project life cycle. And this plan ensures that everyone involved is aligned with the quality expectations and processes. Now let's define the quality metrics. So quality metrics are specific and measurable values that helps monitor the success of the quality management efforts. And these metrics include factors like, for example, the defect frequency or cycle time and the customer satisfaction, which are used to assess whether the project is meeting its quality standards. And by tracking these metrics, project managers can identify the trends and areas for improvement, ensuring that the quality remains aligned with the stakeholder expectation throughout the project lifecycle. So consider it as these quality metrics. You need to ensure that you have a measurable quality indicators. Example, like as we say, the defect frequency or cycle time or satisfaction, or the or let's say the for example, in case if you are developing a website, you need to understand that you might have one of these quality requirements to ensure that the website loads in 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It depends on the requirements by the stakeholders. How you can ensure the alignment with the project's standards. So metrics helps track whether quality standards are being met and guide any improvement. By monitoring and controlling these metrics, it provide the basis, and these metrics provide the basis for quality control processes, helping to identify when a corrective actions are needed. The common challenges that you might face when doing or utilizing these ITTOs or not using them usefully in a correct way in quality planning. So, some of these common challenges in using the ITTOs in quality planning, including the incomplete inputs, such as missing or unclear inputs like unclarity on the project charter or incomplete stakeholder information that can result in poor quality planning. Also, the misapplication of tools. If tools like the cost benefit analysis or flowcharts or benchmarking are not used, for example, probably, they may not provide the insight needed for effective quality planning. One of also the important, let's say, challenges here, which is lack of integration. So, quality planning must be integrated with the other project management processes to ensure the overall success. A lack of integration can lead to inconsistencies and missed opportunities. And to summarize our session on the key ITTOs on which is used in quality planning management, so we say that the ITTOs are essential for to ensure the success of the quality planning, and the inputs provides the necessary information to start the process, and the tools refine the approach, and the outputs formalize the plan. By understanding and applying these ITTOs correctly, you can ensure a structured and effective quality management approach that aligns with the project goals and meet the stakeholder expectations.